Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install CapCut Pro on PC. So in here, I already on my PC and I actually already have this CapCut apps on my computer, but I'm going to show you today through this tutorial the step-by-steps on how you can also get this CapCut. So first you can just use a browser, and in here you can just find the CapCut.com. You can just go to this page and you'll see the CapCut website. So in here you can just tap on download to easily get the app. Let's click on download in here, and here CapCut will downloading on your computer, whether it's a Windows or a Mac. Okay, let's just click on this and then click on download. And in here you can also see the step-by-steps, the two steps tutorial from CapCut. You can just open the CapCut installer, and after that double click to install the CapCut and wait for the installations to finish. Okay, so now it's done. You can just double click. So if you are on a Windows computer, you can just easily tap on yes in here, and the CapCut installer will starting to do the installing process. So after it's done, you can just open the CapCut app. So in here, let's say I already done the installing process, and here I'm going to open the CapCut app on my computer. Okay, so this is my CapCut. If you don't have any account yet, you can just sign up first. But if you already have the account, and to get the CapCut Pro, you can just click on this Join Pro option, and you can start and proceed with the payment, and you can enjoy the PC. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.